Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I am at my workspace. I have just parked my car and I am flying with one of my friends and I am doing Ljubljana, which is in Slovenia. Yeah, layover. The last time मैंने ये layover किया था, which was in 2022 August या September में. I think it was my first layover with Flydubai, and now this is 2024, end of 2024 December, मतलब almost 2 साल बाद I'm doing this layover and I'm so excited as in I don't know, मतलब एक होता है ना कि बचपन में 90s में when we used to watch all these like Bollywood movies, एकदम यूरोप में जाके लोग hero heroine. So Slovenia, out of all the European destinations I have been to, that is like my favorite क्योंकि है ही इतना खूबसूरत है. और maybe it was my first destination in Europe, तो एक प्यार है मुझे उस destination से और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. And also this is the Christmas season, so of course we'll have the Christmas market and all that. The only place I wanted to go over there is एक कोई तो lake है, मुझे वहाँ जाना था. मुझे याद है मुझे last time भी जाना था, but इतना छोटा layover है which is only for 24 hours, जिसमें आपको सोना भी है, खाना भी है and everything, so इतना time नहीं मिल पाता. If it was a longer layover, of course मैं तो चली जाती हूँ वहाँ पर, but नहीं है इतना लंबा layover. Hopefully in the future I get a 40-hour layover in Slovenia and then I can go, of course with a nice set of crew. But today I'm very excited and let me just reach Slovenia and then come back. Oh my god, welcome to Slovenia. That was a long flights, almost 6.5 hours. And ये है मेरा room, 2 beds. That's me of course, and the view this time is amazing. यहाँ पे मैं 2 साल बाद आ रही हूँ. Look at this. It has a, शायद मैं खोल भी सकती हूँ. I'm not gonna do that. I have 45 minutes. Me and my friend, we are gonna go to the main town where there's Christmas market. We're gonna have hot wine, hot chocolate, corn, hot dog, everything. I'm excited. That's my friend Emma. Where are you from?
I'm Irish.
She's hot. Look at her. And we ditched the other crew. and we are going to the Christmas market right now. And we're gonna eat food. And I literally was ready to... No, we were supposed to leave in 45 minutes, but I did the drama, I did a little bit of meditation and all that shit, and then we met the crew at the lobby. Very embarrassing. Now we're on the way. All right. Hi. We're having hot chocolate, brown and white. It's 10 o'clock in the night and we are still out. This bitch has me outside on the street. Our combination of food was amazing. We had hot chocolate, which we didn't like. She had white chocolate. I had dark chocolate.
Previously to that, it was a burger and a cheese hot dog.
She had a beef burger. I had beef sausage.
No, you
hot dog.
Chicken,
sorry. Chicken and cheese. And we were like, where is the cheese? And the lady was like, the cheese is inside. It's so embarrassing.
That's why it's called chicken and cheese.
And it's 10 o'clock in the night. We are doing the romy since 5-6 hours, and now finally we are going back. My lipstick is gone. It's cold, but I love it. And the best part was we ditched the
Looked around like imagine.
oh shit. आ चुकी हूँ मैं वापस रूम में. इट्स आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द टाइम. कुछ 11:30 बज रहे हैं और कल सुबह 11:30 बजे का ही वेकअप कॉल है. कल सुबह मैं ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए नहीं उठने वाली हूँ बिकॉज मैंने बहुत खाया. हॉट चॉकलेट एक क्रू ने बोला था व्हेन वी वर गेटिंग ऑफ द एयरक्राफ्ट कि बहुत ही अच्छा हॉट चॉकलेट है. नो, जो मैंने बुकारेस्ट में खाया पिया था हॉट चॉकलेट, it was amazing, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. But here the hot chocolate was very thick and the weather was amazing. Like it was not that cold. और maybe मैंने इतने सारे ठंडे destinations कर लिए अभी back to back because everywhere it's winters and Europe. और जहाँ पे मैं जा रही हूँ Russia, Europe, whatever, it's all ठंडी. So I think my body got used to it. Next भी जो मैं layover करने वाली हूँ, even that is ठंडा destination. In fact, whole of December, whole of Jan, I'm gonna be in colder destinations. So I think I'm just used to it now. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower now. मैं जा रही हूँ सोने क्योंकि कल वापस I'm going back to Dubai. Anyways, good night. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow morning before I end the vlog. I know it's like a routine kind of thing. मैं layover पे जाती हूँ and I show you around. Like there's nothing else to show. Good morning guys, it's the next day और मैंने गई breakfast as usual. This is my room, my bed, the other bed which I didn't use at all, and I'm all set to go back to Dubai. और ऐसा लग रहा है it's gonna rain. It's literally gonna rain. Look at the clouds. And I thought I'll get up in the morning और फिर मैं अपना proper YouTube thing I'll record. But इतना आलस क्यों आता है? इतना आलस क्यों आता है मुझे? Because of the weather, it's so cold. Maybe that's why. और अभी मेरे पास 10 मिनट है to go down, check out, do the quick briefing जो मेरी senior लेगी, and then we fly back to Dubai. The loads are amazing. I know the vlogs are not that interesting, but I'll try and make it interesting in the future. देखूंगी, like I have to see दूसरे लोग का vlogs to understand. And if you watched till the end, thank you so much. And do like, subscribe, and share with, I don't know, किसके साथ, mom के साथ, पता नहीं किसके साथ, but thank you so much for watching once again. I will see you all in the next vlog. Green color की गाड़ी कहाँ गई? ये रही. I'll see you all in the next vlog, and the next flight I'm doing is Warsaw, जो भी यूरोप में है. तो I think I'll not record that day, but depends. Anyways, see you next time. Bye.